JB-Copter FPV.
Hello my FPV friends. Today I will show you my Ritewing ZCON. The Ritewing ZCON is a special wing. Chris cutted it for a few people and I'm one of the lucky which become a Ritewing ZCON. It's a longer version of the Ritewing Recon. Here is it. The wing is very big. I'm 188 meters tall. Here you can see the wing. The video I will make like my Ritewing hardcore video, so I can show you the wing. Today I will make a Remaiden of the wing because made another setup on the wing, and I will test a new auto launch function at this wing. And yeah, so first I will show you the specs and how I built the wing. So I lay it down and we can have a look. In the front I have a GoPro Hero 7 mount and a Foxeer full-size cam. This mount you can download on Thingiverse. You can take the GoPro out and put it here in. You don't need a strap or something because the GoPro fits good and the rubber secured the GoPro. Here I have my battery tray. In this wing I fly 2 of my 6S batteries in parallel. Here you can see my 2 XT60s connectors. I fly the Tango Nanotech 2650 mAh 6S Lipos 2. The good thing on this Lipos is I can fly it in all my wings and on my copters. So this Lipos I fly on my Ritewing ZCON, on my Zephyr, on my hardcore wings and on my long range FR7 copter. So I need only this Lipo packs and have fun on all my wings and copters. Yeah. In this section I have my electronic bay, so you can see a Magic board, a Skywalker 80 amps EC, a Hellgate buzzer, and yeah, on the back I powered the wing with a badass 2826 motor with 1030 kV. Here I have printed a special motor mount with air condition, so the motor is cool on the flight. When I fly I have got around about 45 degrees of temperature. Here is my tray for GPS and my crossfire receiver. I designed it so I can open it here. Here you can see the GPS and the crossfire. So it's closed. Here I have my Immortal T antenna. It goes through the airfoil. On this side I've got my Wngflp Pro. I designed it so the cool air can get in here and can get out here and the Wngflp stays cool. Here's my FPV antenna for the Wngflp Pro. Here I have my servos. They are high-tech HS 225 MG servos. They are digital servos. Here you can see my ruders and my mount for the ruders. Here I have a carbon tube and in the middle I have a treated lock. That's the whole wing. On the button I have printed a little landing skid, so I have no problems when I land it. Yeah, I will take my batteries in and we'll start the wing. I can fly with the wing 20-25 minutes. I had this wing with me in the Alps. It's the long range video from me and the fail video when I nearly lost this wing in the Alps. Yeah. The best I can fly was 35 minutes, but I sailed a little bit, so I can fly very efficiently. Normally, if I fly with cruise throttle is about 110-120 kilometers per hour. I can fly 20 minutes. Yeah. First I put on my TGS Tango 2.
FR Sky sucks. Welcome to Tango 2.
Then I put the batteries in the wing, and when the wing search for GPS, I will set up my FPV gear. So I hope I can fly today about 200 kilometers per hour, because my record was 199 kilometers per hour. Yeah, at the back you can see my indicator light or LEDs. So I make my preamp check.
Manual mode. Air mode.
So I will start the wing. Arm the wing.
Arm.
Give full throttle and throw it in the air. So I'm in the air. So at this moment I will land.
Disarmed.
So, that was the flight. Yeah, that was the video of my Ritewing ZCON. I hope you enjoy it. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and like the video. And yeah, we will see you next. Bye.
Also with that fire, boy.